Welcome back to the channel. So, obviously it's a little bit different. Not doing car stuff at the moment, but it is related to car stuff. So, as you can see, I've got all kinds of parts here. Building a computer for the sim racing rig. So, 321 Rally is also going to go into the sim. I've got a racing rig that I built a little while ago, played a little bit here and there, doing some more to it, but the 13-year-old computer that I have for it currently, it just really can't handle what I'm going to be throwing at it. So I've decided to build a full-on new computer for it. So the heart of it, AMD Ryzen 5, what is this? 7600 X3D. So with the 7600 X3D, it is probably one of the best gaming processors that you can get that is a mid-range. Paired up with the motherboard here. The other part is the AMD RX 9060 XT 16 gig video graphics processor. These two together, there shouldn't be any bottlenecks, so I don't have to worry about that. I've got 32 gigs of RAM, a 1 terabyte hard drive because, well, it's just a 1 terabyte hard drive, doesn't really need to do too much because it's only going to have a few racing games on it. With AIO water cooler and the 750 watt power supply. The case is a Lian Li Lancool 207 digital. It's a good size case. I didn't want anything too big. I didn't want to necessarily have like a case that's going to show off the interior of the computer or anything of that nature. Really, I just wanted a case that I could fit on the back of the gaming rig. I will show the gaming rig and what I've got for it. More like a wintertime, don't feel like racing in the cold type of project, so I'll do indoor racing. Either way, this video is going to be the build of the computer, of the racing sim computer. Not hard to build a computer. Fairly simple. It's mostly just plugging parts in and installing an operating system, which I'm going to go a little bit older. I'm going to install Windows 10, even though Windows 10 has been sunsetted by Microsoft for the most part for security updates. I'm only going to be running Steam and Assetto Corsa and Dirt 2. Not a whole bunch. Not really anything other than just a few racing games. And I'm not worried about security updates. I'm not necessarily worried about it being online all that much. Here and there, it's going to be played in private servers. I'm not using it to browse the web. I'm not using it to do anything else. I may be able to figure out other ways to get more security updates for Windows because the European Union, apparently, they allow updates beyond that. And then there's other versions, the IoT LTSC versions. If I can get a hold of one of those, I can get updates all the way to 2032. So that, or I'll go Linux. Who knows? Either way, it's the build of the computer that I'm more concerned about at the moment. Enjoy. That's what it's going to be about. And I'm going to talk about what I think about after the computer's done and what kind of performance it actually gives. Because I'm sure that there's going to be a lot of people who are going to look at it for benchmarking just to see what kind of performance this computer is going to give with these two pairings together. So we'll get at it.
So as you can see, cable management is actually not too bad. It's decent. The Lian Li one that I got for the power supply actually has like straight plug-ins so they can go straight down. Cable management works out. It is going to be, it'll be all right. But now time to close it all up and get it ready to get Windows installed onto it. Simrig gaming PC all set up. The only thing I may have to do at some point in time is put a fan right in there for an exhaust. It will have a chimney effect. This is going to still blow through. There's going to be, I got 2 case fans here, 2 case fans down here. Sucks through, blows through. It'll still be a chimney effect, so I think it'll be just fine, even though I don't have the one exhaust fan here. But either way, Simrig gaming PC is put together.